makes raisin and oat cookies? I hope you all die. Stupid bitch. Alright, I'm gonna be rating cookies now. This, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Too much chocolate. This, that was a nice 9 out of 10 right there. Now you hate to see these cookies. These are the type of cookies you know when you bite into them, they are hard as shit. Some will be giving these fucking 5 out of 10. Screw these cookies. And these cookies taste like shit. You know these cookies taste like complete doo-doo, bruh. I'll give these cookies a good, fuck them, 5 out of 10. Hate these cookies. Now this looks like a good cookie. A solid good cookie. Even though the review says 3 out of 6, I'll give it a fucking 10 out of 10. Actually, no, 8 out of 10. These cookies, 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10, you know? Like, now these are the cookies you want to see. Look at that. Because you know when you bite into that cookie, the chocolate chip, brown stuff is going to be melting down across your fucking face. Those look sweet. 10 out of 10. Those look fucking sexy. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. People could have a good thick cookie. I'll give this a 9 out of 10 as well. This looks scrumptious. What else? These cookies. Fuck them cookies. I see a raisin popping out. Let me zoom in. Fuck it. I see a raisin popping out of the cookie and I don't want to look at it. I mean, I could eat a raisin. I don't really care. It's just they're not supposed to be meant on cookies. What's wrong with you? Oh, here's a good batch. Fuck that cookie, 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 fuck that cookie. Fuck that cookie, especially fuck that cookie. Fuck that cookie, fuck. Who made this? A fucking old grandma? Like, stupid whore. Oh, this is interesting. It kind of look good. Give it 8 out of 10. Wow, this actually kind of look good, not gonna lie. Aw, bro, this gets a 10 out of 10 for me. No fucking doubt about it. Red Velvet, the best fucking velvet there is. We're gonna leave it out there. And he put white chocolate. This man, I truly like this one. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it out there. This really makes me just want to just fall over the place. So yeah, I'm not actually save that for later. And yeah, guys, see ya.